I lost over 20 kilo using Herbalife. My wife lost over 15 kilo using Herbalife. But it is not only just about shakes. Let me show you exactly how we did, and you also can do the same using Herbalife. Hi, my name is Shomik. I'm a Herbalife wellness coach. In 2022, me and my wife started this journey after failing almost 2-3 times trying out different weight loss methods. Okay. So, I thought to make this video because if you are someone who are searching for some good solutions for your weight loss and somehow you find Herbalife in front of you but not sure whether it would be right fit for you or not, so if you watch this video till the end, you will find some useful tips that most people make the mistakes while they start the Herbalife weight loss journey. And not only Herbalife, for any weight loss journey, these tricks that I will be sharing in this video today will definitely help you. And at the same time, you'll also get to know what we followed, what type of diet we followed, what type of lifestyles we implemented into our lives to make this happen. Me and my wife together, we lost over 35 kgs. Are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, you need to know about the right nutrition. Since from our childhood, in our regular classes, in our regular books, what we learned that we need to have a balanced diet. So now, in our today's busy world, we are not following the same. Yes, we are definitely taking meals. We are having a good knowledge about what is healthy, what is unhealthy, but somehow what is lacking inside us is that whether the meal that we are taking have the right balance or not, or how to design our meal so that the right proportion of protein, right proportion of carbs, right proportion of vitamins, minerals, fibers all together put into a single plate. Whenever people are starting their weight loss journey, they have one thing in mind: not to eat carbs. So if you are someone, I would request that don't follow this myth, because carbs are most important thing that fuel your brain. Don't try to eliminate carbs from your plate. Rather, I would definitely say learn to have the proper balance within your food, and that will help you a lot. And to give the proper balance in a meal, the Herbalife shakes are being used. Herbalife shakes are very essential because it will give you a nutrient dense meal within just 200 calories. So within these 200 calories, you will be getting 18 types of vitamins and minerals together with around 20 grams of protein. So it will help you to manage your calories. And in weight loss, calorie management is one of the biggest things that you need to learn and follow in order to get results. Let me show you what type of meal we follow during our weight loss journey. So at the start of the day, we have our group workout session at 6. So we used to get up at 5:15 at that point of time, and used to refresh ourselves and have just 3-4 almonds, soaked almonds overnight, and start our workout. So we had a workout session for around 30 to 45 minutes every day, and during the workout we used to take a sip of Fresh in between the workouts, which we called as a Fresh break. So like that, and after having the Fresh, after having the workout, within 15 to 20 minutes we used to take the Herbalife shakes. And by the way, let me tell you, my favorite flavor is rose kheer and vanilla. Yeah. So this is these two flavors we like most, and we used to combine these two flavors in alternate days. We used to take the shakes sip by sip. We spent around 20 minutes to finish our shake glass, and after that, after 2 hours, around 11:30, we used to have a boiled egg together with one whole fruit. As per our body requirement, my protein requirement is around 85 to 90 grams. Lipika, my wife's protein requirement around 60 grams. So we design our diet in such a way that we can be able to fulfill our protein requirement within the calorie limit. Because I used to, my calorie limit was around 1500, Lipika's calorie limit was around 1200. So you used to follow the same. So let's move ahead with the main lunch. In the lunch, we used to have salads, following one bowl of rice with one vegetable curry, whether it could be a leafy vegetables, whether it could be a mixed veg with various type of vegetables, whatever it is, depending on whatever we have. So we designed like that. But at the end of the day, we used to ensure that one vegetables, salad, rice, dal, one bowl of dal together with a protein source, like we are non-veg, so we ate fish, sometimes chicken, sometimes paneer, sometimes soybean. Okay, so like that. So like this way we design our meal in such a way that through my plate I used to absorb around 35 to 40 grams of protein, and Lipika is around 25 to 30 grams of protein. Okay, so we used to ensure the major chunk of protein should come from the lunch, because it is one of the major meal. So after having our lunch, we used to give a 4 to 5 hours break. So around 4:35 around, we used to have a evening snacks. So on the evening snacks, what we have is that sometimes we have a handful of boiled chana. Means chana, not only chana chaat, you can say. You can mix chana with boiled chana with together with some onions, some dhania patta. Okay, so like that. So we'll get a good taste. Sometimes we used to use bhutta. Sometimes we used to have peanuts, but in a lesser quantity. Let's say a handful of peanuts along with Afresh. And after having evening snacks at 4:35, so you used to take a dinner in dinner around, let's say, in between 7:30 to 9, because in some day you used to take a rotis and some days you used to take a oats shake. Okay, so when the day we used to take a rotis, we try to finish our dinner at 7:38, and the day we used to take oats shake, so on that day we extend a bit, let's say around 8:39 within we finish. So that is how we design our meal. But like I said, the main thing that you need to learn is that within your calorie limits, you need to ensure the right amount of protein your body must get, because protein is one of the major ingredients when it comes to weight loss, and most people just eliminate carbs from their diet and not calculate what the proteins intake they are having. And that is one of the biggest mistake that people are unaware of. And I'm telling you today, if you don't learn the skills of managing protein within your calorie limits, you end up regaining your weight even after you lose. Whether it's from the Herbalife or other system, that doesn't matter. You need to learn this one of the major skills, how to have the right protein into your body within your calorie limits. Okay, so let me share with you some of our before after pics. So let me tell you my story. Since from my childhood I was you can say overweight guy, and the day that I started Herbalife for my weight loss journey, at that point of time I was 96 kgs. So every people used to call me as a mota. Somebody told in front of me some gossips behind me. It means I not feel good to hear all this from the sidelines. So eventually, after failing 2-3 times with different methods, I thought to give a try with Herbalife. So that's how me and my wife started the journey. So Lipika was okay with the health before my daughter. So you can understand the post pregnancy fat is something, it's the most irritating thing of every woman. So she started her weight loss journey with 70 kgs and lost awesome 15 kgs. Now very fit mom. So likewise, after we got our results, we thought to learn the coaching as well, because we wanted to help people. So after that, we took the proper coaching and guidance, and we started helping people, and we have a very good community out there. Every day people are getting results, and people are happy, people are loving it, people are enjoying their journey and producing their own results. Okay, so we started our weight loss journey on February 2022, and within 6 months of time I could be able to lose around 20 kgs and Lipika 15 kgs. So within October. And the good news is that since then we are maintaining our weight, because most people complain that after losing the weight they gain all the weight back. So it didn't happen with that. We are still enjoying, and every day we feel that we are getting better, we are getting fitter day by day. Our community is super awesome, that will every day motivate you to take one step towards your health, towards your goal. And at the end of the day, saw that there are people with different backgrounds, with different ages, are working towards their health. It motivates us every day to get up, to wake up every morning and start working towards our goal, start to take care of our health, and start to loving ourselves. And today we say that we are very grateful to the system, to this community who make this happen, and today we are living our best life. Now, if you are someone who would like to start your weight loss, and I would request to come for a free trial, experience a free trial for 3 days, and it's completely free. And if you like our system, our way of working towards the people, our service, then you definitely enroll. I tell you, you will not regret, because every day there are thousands and thousands of people all around the globe are transforming their health through Herbalife community. Again, I am saying once again, only taking Herbalife shakes will not work. You need to have the full systems, full support systems of Herbalife plugged into your life to make this happen, and we will help you out there. So you can contact us in the number given on the screen. We will analyze your body types, we'll analyze what kind of challenges you are having, and based on your lifestyle, we'll customize and design your weight loss journey for you. And within few months, you see that real transformation within you that helps you to live your best life. So take care of yourself. Have a very good day. Don't forget to like, subscribe us, and if you have any questions, just comment us below. We'll definitely reply. We would like to see a healthier version of you, a fitter version of you, and would like to hear your transformation, because we believe that everybody deserves to live their best life.